Good morning. It has been a little over 3 months since we last were at a Disney resort, and today is the day that they reopen. And our first day as DVC guests will be at Disney's Grand Floridian. We came here early and bright so we could see the sunrise. I am super excited, guys. It has been like step by step, especially when Disney Springs opened. That was like a first step. Now this, and a little over 3 weeks from now, we'll be back at the parks. I know it's something like really crazy, but just walking around in a Disney resort gives you this special feeling, this vacation feeling. Just look at it. It's beautiful. There we go, our first time back into ready to check in at a Disney hotel. There's plenty of signage to keep your distance, to wash your hands. Yeah. Right when you come in. Good morning. Good morning. So we are all checked in. We were the very first guests. There's little shields there. They sanitize the pens. And look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Our room is ready as well, so we'll go do that real soon now. Many markings show that you have to keep distance. That's not hard right now because, geez, we're alone. The shop is still closed. We did have word that the quick service would be open. So that's what we're gonna do right now. And then go check out our room, but I also wanted to see the sunrise. And here's the quick service location, which is advised to place a mobile order. And that's the view, one of the views we've been waiting for. Look at it. It's beautiful. I know it might be hard to see, but that's why this camera has such a zoom. There it is. Cinderella's castle. Okay. This is our building. We will go and check out our room. It's a beautiful morning. Look how this building lights up. I'm wearing a mask, but even I'm lighting up. It's hard to see, but still. So there's a few things that we have noticed. There is no music playing, which makes it a bit weird but very calm. I'll think if somebody walks by here, they'll remember to put it back on. It has been turned off for over 3 months, so you can't blame them. Polynesian is also so beautiful with the sunlight on it. So we're walking into the DVC lobby. I'll take you around before we're heading up to the room. So again, here markings on the floor for once the check-ins begin here or any guest info. There's plexiglass shields. The fountain is still there, and the seats. We got a little table, a reminder for social distancing. Now let's go and check out our room. Okay, now let's go find our room. The lobby down there. I like it that it's open. I mean, it's just beautiful. Okay, this is our hallway. This time we don't have a theme park view, which was really not needed for this day. It was more being just happy that we were back. And this is our room. Okay, here's a little behind the magic. When we do a hotel tour or a room tour, to be specific, I always enter, I turn on all the lights, the TVs, so it's in the best filming conditions. I did the same thing here, and let me tell you, I was super surprised. Let's go inside. Welcome to our room, or should I say castle, because we got a giant upgrade. So this is a 1-bedroom villa with a full kitchen. They put out some snacks, water. Look at this. The welcome home. Seating area with, I love the little hidden Mickey right there with the plates of Grand Floridian. Seating area, it's beautiful. This is another bed, like Mickey and Minnie right there. Look at it. This is super beautiful. TV, another pillow bed, and I'm always amazed by the work they do. And look at here, the Mary Poppins scene. It's beautiful. And then this, during these times, really important. They cleaned the remote control for the TV. Let's go into the bedroom. So this is our bedroom right here with this king bed, a little desk to work on, again a Mary Poppins scene. Also here a balcony. We'll go outside just a bit later. This is our bed, the chair. It's beautiful. There's a very large walk-in closet, just pretty nice. And then we go into the bathroom. Look at this bathroom. Look at this bathtub. And this is always, when we were on a tour, DVC tour before we bought, one of the things that always amazed me was the TV in the mirror. I mean, I take a nice bathtub and there you go. You can watch TV right from that mirror. I would want that at home. Just in the morning, watch your news while you're brushing your teeth. Can be better. And here's another part. Toilet and a beautiful large shower. Rain down shower with a little, man, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Like, I have no words to describe this. This was a big surprise. And then here, this door just goes right back to the entrance where we walked in. And in this hallway, you can also, as with every one bedroom, find your washer and dryer. You know. And now let's go see the balcony. As I said, like, for now, we didn't need a theme park view, but this is beautiful as well. Here we go. So this is one big balcony going all along the studio with, I mean, it's not park view, but come on. It is pretty nice. The only thing missing is a monorail driving by, but I mean, if that's the only thing, I can definitely live with it. And honestly, I couldn't be happier that we chose to stay at the Grand Floridian for the reopening of the hotels, especially because the parks are not open yet. And if there's one thing that, and that's like for every Disney hotel, no matter where in the world, you go to a Disney hotel and the first thing you think about is going to the parks and doing things, and you just don't enjoy the resort or your hotel as it should. With this is now different. We will definitely enjoy this hotel. Thank you, Grand Floridian, for the upgrade. It's amazing. I mean, I'm truly amazed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna enjoy this room, and I'll see you guys real soon. There's a lot more to come, so stay tuned. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye, guys.